What is up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can repair the ear cushions of your JSU 7 wireless headphones. So here I got my JSU 7 wireless headphones, and the ear cushions started coming off while I was exercising. So let's fix them. First up, you want to put them flat on a table, and then you want to take a steady grip around them and rotate the ear cushions anti-clockwise. And don't be afraid to give them some force. After a few attempts, they can be pulled right off. You might find a piece of foam being stuck inside of the ear cushion or laying on the speaker assembly itself. For me, it was stuck inside the ear cushion. I couldn't pull it off, so I just let it be in there. Next, I took some super glue and started gluing inside the crease where the ear cushion was supposed to sit. Making sure to not spill anything behind, since you want to avoid glue stains of all kinds in every possible way. Then, as I didn't have long enough nails, I used a spatula to push it in towards the super glue. And at last, I used my fingers to push it in the last way. Letting the glue quickly dry will then glue the next half. Again, making sure to not spill anything, I put some glue in there. And did the exact same thing again. For the parts that didn't get any glue, I put a blob of glue there and then used the spatula to push it in. Then, making sure to quickly dry it off to avoid any glue stains. Then, due to the nature of super glue, you wanna let it dry near some water. So, here we have it. Let's put it back. You might feel the piece of hard plastic inside of the ear cushion. You wanna align this with this cable right here. Then, press them on there and screw them clockwise. That's it! Now you successfully repaired the ear cushions of your JSU 7 wireless headphone. That's all I had in this one. Thank you for watching. Bye!